Hello, this is our second video on retirement of a partner. In this video, we will study treatment of goodwill. Goodwill is the reputation of a business valued in terms of money. It is an intangible asset. The retiring partner is entitled to get his share of goodwill at the time of retirement because it is the result of past efforts done by all partners, including retiring partner. There are various methods of treating goodwill in the books of firm at the time of retirement. Treatment of goodwill is just like adjusting goodwill at the time of retirement. There are three methods of treating goodwill in the books of firm. First, goodwill raised to its full value. Second, goodwill raised to the extent of retiring partner's share. And third, goodwill already appeared in old balance sheet. Let's see the first method, goodwill raised to its full value. In this method, either goodwill raised and retained in the business or first goodwill raised and then immediately write it off. Journal entry for goodwill raised to its full value and retained in the business is goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. In this case, goodwill is distributed among all partners in their old ratio. Here, goodwill is appeared in the balance sheet. Goodwill raised to its full value and written off. In this case, we have to raise the goodwill to its full value and then we will write it off. Journal entry for raising goodwill to its full value is goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. Here, goodwill is distributed among all partners in their old ratio. When goodwill is written off, journal entry is continuing partners capital account debit to goodwill. In this case, goodwill is distributed among partners or continuing partners in their new ratio. Our second method is goodwill raised to the extent of retiring partner share. In this method, either we raise the goodwill and retain in the business or we raise the goodwill and write it off. Goodwill raised to the extent of retiring partner share. Here, only retiring partner share in goodwill is raised. So, journal entry for goodwill raised to the extent of retiring partner share is goodwill account debit to retiring partner's capital account. In this method, goodwill is appeared in new balance sheet after the retirement of a partner. Goodwill raised to the extent of retiring partner's share and written off. In this method, first we raise the goodwill to the extent of retiring partner's share and then we will write it off to continuing partners in their gain ratio. So, journal entry for raising goodwill to the extent of retiring partner's share is goodwill account debit to retiring partner's capital account. After that, we have to write off goodwill to continuing partners. So, journal entry is continuing partners capital account debit to goodwill. In this case, goodwill is distributed among continuing partners in their gain ratio. Our third method is goodwill already appears in old balance sheet. They just treat the goodwill like other asset and transfer the difference to revaluation account. In case of goodwill, we can transfer the difference to partner's capital or partner's current account instead of revaluation account. But in both cases, the ultimate effect is same. You can refer this flow chart for treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement. All three methods are covered in it. Watch our next video on adjustment at the time of retirement of a partner.